Did you know that you can add AI-generated images into any Padlet? All you have to do is go into a Padlet and click the little plus to add a post. Once you do, click the three little dots for more attachment types and find the I can't draw button. Type in whatever you want Padlet to draw and hit enter. It'll generate a series of images that you can choose from, and you can click one to add to your post. So this is a cool way to add sort of custom imagery into any Padlet that you want. And just as a friendly reminder, Padlet's available for everyone at Cambrian College, including faculty, staff, and students, just by going to cambriancollege.padlet.org and clicking the Continue with Microsoft button. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to create an unlimited number of Padlets.